Good afternoon, Robert Scribbler with the OBX Wave Report, filming, recording video. I always want to say filming. Recording video here to the south and east of Jeanette's Pier, looking into the teeth of an incoming coastal low. We've got a powerful low pressure system developing here along the coastline. Winds starting to pick up already from the south and east, and waves also starting to pick up. We've got mostly 1 to 4, 2 to 4 foot and choppy conditions up and down the Outer Banks right now, and winds right now ranging from anywhere from 10 to about 25 miles per hour. But this is the mild part of this system. We're expecting to see mostly gale force or near gale force conditions for the next 3 days. So batten down the hatches, get ready, and we're just looking into the teeth of it. Stormiest day is probably going to be tomorrow with both heavy winds and heavy rains, but heavy winds throughout tomorrow, Sunday, and Monday. All right. So let's look at some of the local conditions provided by the wave monitors, the model data, the buoy data, and spot observations by yours truly right now here at Nag's Head. We've got about 2 foot waves, east-southeast swell at around 3 foot and 4 seconds, east-southeast winds blowing at around 22 to 24 miles per hour, air temperatures around 60 degrees, ocean water temperatures 51. We had a low tide between 1 to 2 this afternoon, and looking for forward to a high tide between 7 and 8 this evening. At Road Anthony, we've got 2 to 4 foot waves and choppy conditions with east-southeast swell at around 4 foot and 5 seconds. East-southeast winds at about 24 miles per hour. Air temperatures around 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Ocean water temperatures 55. And in Buxton, 2 to 4 foot plus and choppy conditions. Starting to rain down there in Buxton right now. Primary swell coming in out of the south and east at about 4.6 foot and 5 seconds. East-southeasterly winds around 25 miles per hour. Air temperatures 64 degrees Fahrenheit. Ocean water temperatures 68. And at Frisco, 2 to 4 foot and choppy with water temperatures at 59 degrees. For today, winds and swell building, with winds building to 20 to 35 miles per hour by nighttime, and 3 to 8 foot waves also by nighttime as well. Daytime highs around 60. Rain starting pretty soon, around 5 p.m. Rain spreading in from the southwest and toward the north and east. On Saturday, strong southeast gale through mid-afternoon with 6 to 12 foot and choppy waves. Winds 30 to 45 miles per hour out of the south and east. Winds shifting north by late afternoon and evening to 30 to 45 miles per hour out of the north. We have a small west wind window on Saturday, but it doesn't look like that's going to amount to much as far as clean surf. Earlier it looked like we might get a nice little window there for a clean surf, but that's not really going to happen, unfortunately. All-day rain event on Saturday, heavy rain for most of the day, high around 62. On Sunday, 6 to 12 foot surf, choppy conditions, winds 30 to 45 miles per hour out of the north, shifting for periods of time toward the northeast and then back toward the north throughout the day. Cloudy with highs in the low 50s. On Monday, 7 to 14 foot surf with a lot of fetch coming off the backside of a major trough off the U.S. East Coast. At that point on Monday, north and northeast winds 25 to 35 miles per hour. Clouds and sun, high near 50. And on Tuesday, 6 to 10 foot and choppy conditions with north-northeast winds subsiding to 10 to 22 miles per hour. Clouds and sun with a high near 50. And last of all, on Wednesday, looks like that is the opening for our first potentially clean day. 3 to 7 foot and fair to clean, cleaning up. Clouds with a high near 60 degrees and light southwesterly winds. So looking pretty gnarly, pretty stormy over the next few days, guys, as the main influence to the surf is going to be this powerful coastal low. So thank you for joining me for this Friday, March the 22nd session of the OBX Wave Report. It's pretty choppy and sloppy right now, but we are expecting some gnarly conditions incoming. And as I always do, I would like to ask you guys to please do everything you can to help protect our coastlines from the impacts of climate change driven by fossil fuel burning, those impacts being rising sea levels, more intense storms, ocean heat waves, and ocean acidification. The primary action that we can take right now being the rapid deployment of clean energy, rapidly deployable forms of clean energy at present include wind, water, solar, and electric vehicles. And there's also various other forms of clean energy infrastructure and apparatus such as electrolyzers and renewable liquid fuels that can help as well. All right, so thanks for joining me once again as we look into the teeth of an oncoming storm here in the OBX. I will be back with you shortly.